This is Taglish Thursday. I share lessons and ideas that really help me in life, pero in Taglish para mas dama at mas relatable. For our first episode, let's talk about a book that changed my life, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. Sabi ni Bob Proctor, isang world-renowned success coach,
"The secret gives you anything you want, happiness, health, and wealth."
At ang tinutukoy niya is the law of attraction. Ano nga ba ito? It's a natural law, parang gravity. Kahit maniwala ka o hindi, gumagana siya. Kung iitsa mo ang bola, babagsak ito. Ganon din ang law of attraction. It works whether you understand it or not. Sabi ni Charles Haanel, author ng The Master Key System,
"Every thought is a cause, and every condition is an effect."
In short, lahat ng iniisip mo may bunga. Ikaw ay parang magnet at ang magnetic power mo ay galing sa thoughts mo. Sabi ni Mike Dooley, author ng Notes from the Universe,
"Thoughts become things."
Kung naka-tune in ka sa mga negative na bagay, negative din ang mga darating. Pagka naka-tune in ka naman sa magagandang bagay, magaganda ang darating. Hindi pwedeng mag-expect ka na nasa love radio ka pero naka-tune in ka naman sa Wish 107.5. Ganun lang din yun. It doesn't hear don't. The universe doesn't process the words don't. Kung iniisip mong ayokong malate at ang focus mo is late, madalas malilate ka talaga. Shift it to I'm always on time. I move with ease. Yun ang vibration na sinusundan ng universe. The law of attraction is really the law of creation. Quantum physicists even say that the universe itself emerged from thought. So be aware sa thoughts mo habang nanonood, nakikinig ng music, lalo na bago ka matulog. Because every thought is a seed. And kung ano ang itinanim mo, yun din ang aanihin mo. The mind is powerful. Huwag mo i-take for granted yung power ng utak at isip mo. Sabi nila, parang transmission tower, constantly sending frequencies to the universe. So paano? Through awareness at intention. Meditation kahit 3 to 10 minutes a day. It helps you quiet your mind and so that you can choose better thoughts. Now that you know the secret, you can start creating the life you truly want. Nasa unang bahagi pa lang tayo ng librong The Secret. Tune in next time. This is Taglish Thursday. Knowledge is powerful, pero mas powerful kapag naiintindihan at ginagamit natin.